Hi, I'm Val, and I live and travel full-time in my self-converted camper van with my cat Sadie. After spending a toasty spring in Arizona, I'm heading north to continue exploring the beautiful Pacific Northwest. But first, I need to take care of a few things. Come along and click that red subscribe button if you haven't already to follow the journey.
Hi everyone, it's me Val. I know it's been a while since I've been on here because I've been kind of busy with different things, and this week I've been sick. At first I thought it was just allergies, which I hadn't had allergies since I've been in Arizona, so it was a little weird. It was like, well, this is familiar. After a couple days I wasn't getting any better. I was taking good care of myself, drinking lots of tea and drinking smoothies, eating healthy and hydrating, and it just wasn't getting any better. And then one day, like the third day, I woke up and I had a fever of 101. I had to make the hasty decision to find a clinic. I went to an urgent care to see what was going on. I thought it might be a sinus infection that could be treated with just an antibiotic, but they seem to think it's a virus. And they did test me for COVID and it's negative, so it's not COVID. So it was just a random virus that I picked up from somewhere, so that was weird. And thankfully I am feeling so much better. I'm so grateful to have people in my life who are able to take care of me and help speed up the process, because honestly I probably wouldn't have taken as good of care of myself, because I am just so stubborn and I just want to push through it and be like, I can clean the whole house, I can clean the whole van, it's okay, like I have a fever. So yeah, I've been very grateful to have help with my recovery. Anyway, I have some exciting news. I am going to go home, well, go to Georgia for a quick visit before I go north. I decided that I should probably go ahead and do my visit because I've been wanting to visit for a while. I just didn't know the logistics of everything. I couldn't decide if I wanted to drive or fly or how I wanted to do that. And I finally got it all together and decided that I'm leaving the van here in Phoenix, Arizona, and I'm flying out to Atlanta. My dad or mom are gonna pick me up and we're gonna go to Macon for a little while, spend some time with my family, and then I'm gonna go through Atlanta and hopefully see some friends. Now that people are getting vaccinated and I'm almost fully vaccinated, I was gonna get my second shot a few days ago, but that was the day I was running a fever. I wanted to get well as soon as possible since I had a flight in a few days, so things are getting a little crazy. C'est la vie. But now it is the day of my flight and I'm feeling so much better. I just have some coughing of some whatever is still in here trying to get out, and I think my fever is finally normal now. TMI alert, blowing my nose quite a bit. I swear half my brain is missing now because I've been blowing my nose so much today and yesterday, but I take that as a good sign that it's all clearing up and trying to escape, trying to exit my body. I'm fully packed up. I packed my backpack as full as I can make it. I didn't want to check any bags, so I just have a backpack to carry on, and I'll probably take my drone as a personal item. Another cool thing about Way is some of them have a shuttle service for free. So once you park, you just take the shuttle to the airport for free. This one does not, but I'm just gonna take a Lyft to the airport, no big deal. Since I'm only planning on staying in Georgia for a little while, just maybe a week 2 at the most. I'm not sure exactly. I haven't bought my return ticket yet because I don't know how long I want to stay yet, because you never know what's gonna happen. So I didn't want to drive the van all the way from Arizona to Georgia just for a quick visit. If I was staying longer, I would definitely drive it out there, because it would be more convenient to have my home with me for sure, and to have Sadie with me. But that's what I'm doing right now. It's kind of exciting. I don't think I've been on a plane in like 4 years, so this is exciting. I boarded Sadie for the first time as well. Hopefully she's gonna do okay, but it was really hard to do that. Poor baby. My cat mom heart is breaking. It's really weird not having her in the van, because I'm just so used to her always being here that it's just so quiet and empty. When I'm driving, I'm always waiting for her to jump in my lap, and she just never does. And it's kind of sad, but I already miss her. But I'm sure she'll be fine. But yeah, I took all the trash out. I wanted to film some of the process earlier, some of like the getting ready to leave the van process, but I wasn't feeling well. Once I dropped Sadie off in the morning, I took a good long nap because I knew I probably wasn't going to sleep tonight. Hopefully I will, but probably not. We'll see. But I'm so excited to see my family and friends, and hopefully we can hang out and hug each other finally. You know, it's been a long, crazy year for all of us. I took all the trash out. I scooped Sadie's litter box. So the van is relatively clean, and hopefully bugs don't get in. Hopefully no one else gets in. Yeah, it's my first time leaving the van like this, so I'm a little nervous, but I'm sure it's gonna be fine. Here's to adventure. But this is my last few moments with the van before I order a lift and head to the airport. We made it!
Not break the camera. And I got a million things of luggage.
Oh yeah, they got the whole
and
family.
This other car's right behind me, so I can't even get out.
It's okay.
Stuck.
It's all good. That's how it is sometimes here. Look at all this green, vlog. I've been showing the vlog the desert lately, so this is a nice change of scenery for me and you guys. So exciting. I love a change of scenery. big trees. I haven't been to this house in a year and a half, y'all. We moved here when I was 16. So I have a lot of memories here. Didn't completely grow up here, but I kind of grew up here.
I'll take this one here.
Okay, that's the drone. I'll get the other one. Thanks.
I know Abby will be happy to see you.
I know, I can't wait to see Abby. Abbey Road. I hear her. Oh my goodness, it's Abby! 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 Ah!
That's your sister.
Ah! No one else. It's just me. It's just me. Hi! Hi! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Abby! Abby! Abby. Hey. My mommy. Abby. Hey, Grandma. Missed you.
Yeah. A lot.
Yes. Hey! Yes! Yes! I'm here! I'm here! I'm here! Let's wrestle! Let's wrestle in the kitchen! Hey! Come here! Come here!
Wild streets.
Every once in a while. You tired? You tired?
Should be 8.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Should be 8 years old.
That's your sister, yeah.
Oh.
Got ears pulled back.
She looks alarmed. She's like, what's going on, Mom and Dad? Who's this crazy lady?